Alright, in this episode we're going to be doing taking some measurements from an engine, a Caterpillar engine, and basically what we're going to be doing is taking the cylinder bore, the cylinder taper, and also measuring the ovality of the actual cylinder. There's a couple of tools that you're going to need for this. Tool number one is the snap gauge. It's a very easy instrument. Basically how it works is that you set it inside the cylinder, going front to back, loosen it to where it touches the sides, then you kind of rock it back and forth a little bit, make sure that it's all nice, neat, and even, and you want to tighten it back down, take it out. Okay, this is where the second tool comes in. The second tool is a vernier caliper. It's easier if you take it and set the snap gauge down on a flat surface. And all you do is open the vernier caliper up to where you can fit around the snap gauge, and then slowly come in onto the snap gauge to where it just barely touches both sides of the snap gauge. And what you have is 0.432, looks about to be 0.4325. Okay, in order to do taper, what you would do is that you would use the same snap gauge. Basically, you would take the measurement from the top again, then down into the cylinder bore about midway. Again, you just barely loosen it to where it touches both sides. You tighten it down, take it out, take your measurements. That's going to be 0.432. Pretty good. And you want to do the bottom part. Stick the snap gauge all the way inside, down to the bottom, or get it as close as you can to the bottom. And again, you lock it down, pull it out, a little lopsided, but that's alright. So it should get the same measurement. Again, and we got 4.327. So that's great. The cylinder's pretty good on the taper end. Now to do the ovality, all you would do is take the same measurements but going from left to right, and you would do it again at top, middle, and bottom.